Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we'll be going over today is real life testimonies from people who have used the SalesFlow feature on the Nowsite platform and the results that they're getting, if there's good or bad. So you're going to see their real, genuine testimonies. So with that, we're going to have Cheryl Coco introduce these people and actually show you, let them speak a little bit more about it. So I'm not going to say any more. I'm going to pass over to her, and here we go.
All right, welcome everybody. We are live. I have a special guest with me. Make sure that you use the chat and tell us that you are here with us. Drop a 1 if you're watching us live. Drop a 2 if you are watching the recording. Come on in. You want to share this out. I have a special guest with me, Sherrie Sullivan. Sherrie, wait, hi.
Hello, everyone.
Sherrie is going to share her SalesFlow testimony, her unlimited leads testimony with everybody. And Sherrie has been a part of the SalesFlow challenge since the beginning. She's seen it all. She's seen the newest person come in. She's seen people who have been with Nowsite for a while come on in and try the SalesFlow challenge. So she pretty much knows it all. She's the expert. So Sherrie, I'm going to You are though. We like names.
I don't know about the expert. I don't know about the expert, but I know I had success. So
had success. So Sherrie, I'm going to turn it on over to you. You can share your experience with SalesFlow and unlimited leads. Thanks for being here.
All right. Thank you for having me. You know, from day one, once I signed up for SalesFlow, I got success. I couldn't believe it. I got people saying, tell me more. I'm interested. How do I get started? And I was like, whoa, this is just my first day on SalesFlow. I wasn't expecting this great response. And so then I had to hurry up and go to the follow-up. I'm so glad that SalesFlow offers the follow-up, you know, with the scripted messages. And I was able to send those out quickly. So this has been an amazing ride of understanding how to have income producing activities. That is what I was missing in my business, guys. And now I don't have to worry about that. I am focused. I have income producing activities, and I am getting the response that I'm looking for my business. So it's been amazing.
That's amazing. Thank you so much for sharing. If this is your first time watching, SalesFlow helps people get high quality leads for their business anytime, anywhere, and it's the best lead generation system ever. So we have Sherrie. She's sharing her experience here with us. And Sherrie, you know, you talked about the experience that you had, that you have people answering your messages right away. SalesFlow takes people through the process. It gives them targeted prospects. It also shares with them how they can connect with that targeted prospect. It gives them the script and the messages that you send, just like Sherrie was saying, even the follow-up, and then you can book an appointment. And through this process that SalesFlow offers, people get responses back. They have people that are raising their hand saying, yes, I want to learn more about your business. And that's what Sherrie's so excited about. Sherrie, thank you so much for sharing. I want to know, you know, do you have to be an expert? Do you have to have prior sales experience? What do you think about that beginner who just comes in?
Oh, no, you know, you do not have to have any prior experience. You know, everyone is winning here. You know, I love to see new people, new faces, because it's so easy. And they're like, is that it? Yeah, 4 clicks to success. That's it. You don't have to overthink it. I just want to share a quick testimony. A young lady I met through my SalesFlow challenge. She got started, helped her get her business to grow. And she just told me she's a Nowsite affiliate now. It's because she sees the value here. She sees the power of having high quality leads for her business. And she's sharing that with other business associates that she has. This is powerful. I mean, I just can't believe how, don't overthink it. You know, that's the thing. Just go with the flow. And I think that most of us is that it? You mean that's all I have to do? Yeah, 4 clicks and you will have success.
So let's get this straight, okay? We're going to kind of, simplify this for everybody. So you met somebody using SalesFlow. So you got a prospect, right? Met them using SalesFlow and sent them the message. And so now this person is a part of Nowsite. Like, how did that, like a little slower, what happened?
Sure. I sent the Salesflow script and they
Yeah.
were interested and said, tell me more. And we had a conversation. We set up a time to talk. And she said, this will be perfect for my business. And I'm
Okay.
like, great, and got her started, got her onboarded, saw her on the training. She loves the community, our Salesflow community. And I saw her on the training a few times. And next thing I know, she's posted her certificate that she's been through Salesflow. She's had success, and now she's offering Salesflow. And also on LinkedIn, she posted that she is now a Salesflow expert. So I am just super proud of her. I mean, I've gotten success with it, and just to see in such a short time others are getting success. Oh man, that just really blew my mind today. I'm like, yay, so it works. This works.
That's awesome. We were talking about income producing activities. It was something that you mentioned, like how it kind of got you doing the income producing activities that you should have been doing. So, just as an example, I want to know, those income producing activities means that you are reaching out to new people, that you're expanding your network, that you're introducing whatever it is that you share with others to new people. So, Sherrie, would you say that you do more income producing activities now using Salesflow than you have ever?
Yes. I mean, this last month, since the beginning of April that I got started, I was not skeptical. I needed this. I needed it. I was at a point in my business that it was getting stagnant. And then, you start getting frantic, like what I'm going to do, how I'm going to reach people, who I'm going to talk to. I was so just like, yeah, let's go with it. Kept an open mind. And like I said, when I got success from day one, I'm like, oh, wait a minute. We are on to something great here. It has been, Cheryl, I mean, I just can't explain. And just seeing because people are like, what do I got to do? How do I get, it's just that easy. And just to wrap our heads around easy, people can't they're like, I got to do something. It's going to take me forever. No, it takes, I haven't beat your time yet, Cheryl. But, I just 3 times a day, I log on, I do some prospecting. I love my high quality targeted leads that I am targeting people and that they are connecting. They are looking for what I have to offer them. I mean, I just don't get no better than this. And every day I'm still excited. It's been over a month and I'm still excited when people tell me more. How do I get started? Send me more information. So this doesn't get old. It just doesn't get old getting that. And it's for everyone. As a new beginner, you get signed up today. You get your prospects today and you get started. And that's where they can't figure out, like me, do I have to wait for it? No, today you get started. And now that we have unlimited leads, okay, it's all gas, no brakes for me, Cheryl. That I can, if you have multiple businesses like I do, I don't have to divvy out and like, oh, I got to save some leads for this one no, I'm gone. It is growing and just connecting with wonderful people we're like-minded, we're business owners, we're entrepreneurs, and they need this. We all need this. I mean, if you don't have a continuous source of people to talk to, you won't be in business long. And that's what I was feeling. And I'm so glad we started Salesflow because I was right there like, oh my goodness, I'm not going to be in business long. Well, 30 days later, I just can't explain the growth that I've seen in my business. And I so look forward to the weeks and months ahead. Ooh.
I know you're so excited. I love to see the excitement on people's faces because we have so many people win. I think something that you said that was really special was everybody wins, right? The newest person, they have this opportunity to win. Everybody is in that group getting results. We have a wonderful community of people that stand behind you, that support you, that are a part of this. Hey, Sherrie, you were talking about those prospects and unlimited leads that you get. I just want to know, on average, like let's say a day, how many people can you prospect using SalesFlow? Is it 5, 3 new people that you're meeting, or connecting with a day? How many people?
Oh, no, it's more than that. It's more than that. You do as many as you want. I kind of break it down because, as I'm trying to still learn and I'm going through the SalesFlow and, I'm getting all these responses and I'm like, wait a minute, I got to stop SalesFlow and I got to follow up, what I mean? And I was getting a little, so now I've got my rinse and repeat. So yes, I'm about 3 times a day. I log on, I'll do 25, 50 people, give them a chance to respond and, categorize them. It's been just a continuous way. And that is one thing that I was looking for. And I know that if it works for me, I can help it work for others. And, the beauty of it is, it doesn't matter your niche. I'm just listening to all these people and what they do. And you learn so much about different people's businesses and how they can just key in a few keywords. And then they're amazed that, oh my gosh, this is a person that I can reach out to. I mean, Cheryl, now it doesn't get any better than this.
I know.
This ain't my baby, this ain't but I am so excited when people get success and they get the same feeling that I've gotten. And when that can to other people, I'm just elated for them. I'm just elated. So
I love it. Well, thank you for being such a huge part of SalesFlow and the supporter of every single person that does and takes the SalesFlow challenge. Look, we have training that starts in just a few minutes. Make sure that you get back to the person that shared this video with you. Make sure that you get SalesFlow and get yourself unlimited leads before the time runs out. Sherrie, thank you so much. And we're going to start our training in just about 5 minutes. Come on over and join us. Thanks, everybody. Thanks, Sherrie.
Thank you.
Bye.
And we're back, and you just heard it from the mouth of the people. So with that, I mean, it's great that people are getting results. I'm getting results. A lot of other people are getting results. And that's just one of many people who are having success with this platform of SalesFlow on the Nowsite platform. So I can't wait for you to get going. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment in the section below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Or you can also text me or call me. My number's in the description below. Also, if this is your first time checking out one of my videos or my channel, and you like what you saw, even if you didn't like what you saw, but you think that it has some value to it, go ahead and hit that big red button below. Right next to it is a little bell. Hit that bell and hit all, because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube is going to send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul put out a new video. You like this last one, and you might want to check out this one. So with that, guys, if you want to get started, go ahead and there's a link on the description, or the comments actually, and the description. You can get started there. If you have more questions, feel free. If not, we can get you on a demo, or so you can see it live in person too. Just let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help you. This is all about making sure that you're successful with your business, or whoever is watching this is successful with their business, so you can take it to the next level. So with that, guys, we're going to end this. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.